Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Today I will be showing you how to build the Monster Garage playset. Alright, first thing we're going to do is build the elevator. We're gonna start by turning the ceiling upside down. And now we're gonna go ahead and put the sidebars on. You want to make sure that you put the red elevator on the side that says A. You line it up and snap it into place. Next up, you're gonna grab the other sidebar of the elevator. Make sure you line it up to the correct snapping points and snap it into place. Now we can turn it back up and stand it up. Line it up with the base. You want to make sure that the ramp is going into the elevator. You line it up and snap it into place. Now that it's standing up, you want to make sure that the ramp is pointing to the right side, and you can go ahead and put the sign on the top. Usually this piece is not on, but mine was already built before and we did not want to take it off. Also, these stickers were already on there before. Just make sure you find the correct spot and place them there. Alright, next up, we're gonna put the bottom level of the base. Make sure that the circle is pointing to you. We're gonna grab the structure, line it up, and then snap it in. Next, you're gonna want to put the rotating truck lift in the circle. Make sure you line it up and snap it in. Next, we're gonna get the side structure. We're gonna put in the truck stops. Alright, you're gonna connect the side structure to the bottom level. Make sure that the truck stop is pointing towards the outside. This is where you're gonna attach the top support handle to the side base. Alright, next up, we're gonna add the 3 tracks. Make sure you add the bottom level first. You're gonna insert through. Make sure it aligns. And snap it in. Make sure you hear that snap. Next up, put the second track on the second level. Make sure that the hook is pointing towards the left. You align the right and make sure it snaps in. Alright, now let's put our final track on. Make sure that the hook is pointing towards the left. Make sure you place it on the top level. Make sure it aligns and then snap it in. Alright, next up, you're gonna grab the tracks. For the first level, you're going to grab the small one. Next up, we're gonna grab the track for the second level. Make sure that the little pillar goes right there. Mine was already on, but make sure yours is on. Make sure you attach it to the second track. You line it up and snap it in. Alright, this part is very important. Make sure that this little piece is pointing towards that side. You're gonna line it up correctly and snap it in. You're gonna place it onto the second level and snap it in. Alright, next up, we want to attach that pillar to the bottom ramp. Line it up and you're gonna hear a tiny little snap. Alright, for the final track, you're gonna put it under the second level track, align it to the third level, and snap it in. Alright, this is very important. Make sure you align this little pillar to the second track, align it, and snap it in. Alright, let's attach the truck support to the bottom, align it, and snap it in. Alright, next up, we're gonna put the ramp support to the top one. Make sure you align it and snap it in. Alright, next up we're gonna add the backflip ramp to the top, align it and snap it in. Make sure you attach the ramp support to the back of the backflip ramp. Alright, here we're gonna attach the top piece. Make sure it's attached to the correct spot and snap it in. Alright guys, we're gonna grab the crank. You can add AA batteries to the bottom so it can make monster truck sounds. Make sure that this piece aligns with this piece, and all you're gonna do is slide it in. Make sure you slide it in all the way so the crank can actually grab the gear. If you don't slide it all the way in, the elevator will not work. Now you can play with your Monster Jam garage playset. But first, before we start, make sure if you want to use a first level, you click the little red thing to the right. If you don't want to use it, make sure you click it back to the left. Now if you want to use a second level, you click the red thing to the right, and if you don't want to use it, make sure to click it back. Same thing with a third level. Alright guys, and that's how you assemble the Monster Jam garage playset. If you found this video helpful, please help us out by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.